Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. This is not your video for today, this is just a quick one because I had an idea and it's based on a channel that's absolutely nothing to do with orchids, but the title grabbed me. Now how about this for the Project Orchids next year? Every so often, as yet undecided, we do everything you ever wanted to know about, followed by an orchid genus. I'll do the work and the research and we'll have a video with a complete guide to that genus. Does that sound like, you know, and the title will always be everything you always wanted to know about, followed by the genus name. We'll make a nice set of them. How does that sound as an idea? Nobody else seems to be coming up with ideas, so I'll have to come up with my own, even though that's not really mine. See you later.